In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete profile picture on Facebook. After uploading a profile picture on Facebook, later you have a change of mind and you want to delete it. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook interface, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. This will land you on an interface like this. Continue to tap on the profile picture that you currently have. A pop-up menu will appear with a list of options. Proceed to tap on see profile picture. On this interface, you have your current profile picture showing up and above. On the top right corner, you see this three dot. Continue to tap on it. Then you have a tons of options here. In order for us to delete this profile picture, all we have to do is to tap on delete photo, and that's it. You have successfully deleted your profile picture on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.